Hey guys, today I'm really excited because I just received these Terminator LED lights for viewing purposes, and I think that they are really nice because they are actually really easy to install. I got the H7 model, but you can get it on different models depending of your necessities. Okay, you get a pair of gloves. Okay, so you can do the installation process. Okay, then in this little bag we get the instruction manuals, all the different types on how to install it, plug it in, depending of or well the type of LED light bulb that you receive, or in the case of your car that needs, which I think that it's really nice. Okay. And lastly, we get in here the proper LED lights. Okay, I think that it's nice because you get all the steps on how to install them, and they feel of an amazing quality. They look really nice, and I think that they are perfect. As I've said, you can just change your regular light bulbs with these ones, which I think that it's great depending, as I've said, of the type of car and light bulbs your car uses. It's the type that you are gonna get for them, or the adapter in this case, which I think that they are really nice. As you can see, we got the LEDs on both sides, okay, which I think that it's perfect. And overall, I think that they are really nice. They feel of an amazing quality, and you can get all the different types that you need for your car, which I think that it's great. And I will really recommend them. See you guys.